ईटी मोहम्मद बशीर, आप कुछ बोलना चाहते थे? छोड़िए, गृह मंत्री जी ने विषय रख दिया।
मेरा नाम सर माननीय वेणुगोपाल जी ने लिया था और सर मैंने बड़ा स्पष्टता से सर कह दिया था।
ईटी मोहम्मद बशीर बाद में कर रहे हैं। ईटी मोहम्मद बशीर छोड़िए। ईटी मोहम्मद बशीर, ईटी मोहम्मद बशीर।
Sir, thank you very much. Honorable Home Minister has committed a speech, lengthy speech, claiming as he is the savior of the minorities. He was announcing certain things and pretend themselves as the champion of the minorities. I would like to say that is the biggest tamasha of 2025. There is no iota of truth in it. It is his government. He tortured the minorities in India, physically, mentally, socially, and economically. They did that much of injustice to the minorities. If he claimed that his government is doing goodness for the government, it is false. They are planning to do further injustice to the Muslims. That's a classical example as far as this legislation is concerned. Sir, coming to the crux of the bill, I don't want to take much of the time. Sir, JPC and after that bill 2024. Previously we have seen other JPC 2013 report was come. What exactly is that, sir? There was deliberation, threadbare deliberation, very effective kind of discussions. Finally, sir, that 2013 amendment was unanimously passed. That is the record. But what happened in this case? What happened? Dramatic kind of thing took place in this. I don't want to say much things in this. Now, all the powers of the Work Board and things like that is vested with the government. What is the idea behind it? That's only one thing. They had to make this as a low-hanging fruit so that they can take and eat it away according to their liking. That is the thing which is going to happen. Sir, this legislation is a regressive one. There is no doubt about that. As he said, the bill removed Waqf Board's power to inquire and determine whether the property is that of Waqf or not.
I request all the members to kindly be seated.
That will be decided by the collector.
I request everybody to be seated, please. Wait, 1 second,
yes,
sir. I request everybody to kindly be seated. No. Please be seated. Please be seated.
It's not in order.
I am telling them.
Sir,
Sir, please be seated.
How can we speak?
Sir ji, please be seated. आप बैठ जाइएगा वहाँ पे. Please be seated. आप बैठ जाइएगा. Here also.
How can we speak, sir?
Then only I will be able to speak.
Our time
Okay,
is
sir.
our
Please
time.
go ahead.
But,
Sir, how can we
Please
speak?
go ahead, sir.
How can we speak?
sir, so all these powers vested with the Waqf Board and tribunal and survey, all this have been shifted to officers. So they are going to reject. It means that they are undermining all these statutory bodies and things like that. This shows that the government wants to ruin its identity. Sir, coming to the other points, that Muslim representation, as far as laws are concerned, different laws are there, different institutions are there, trusts are there. What exactly this kind of provision is not there. All these institutions are governed, particular institutions are governed by the concerned religion. That is a fact. Mr. Venu was explaining all the development in that sector also. Now what is happening? There are many examples, sir. I don't want to say much about this. So that is one point. The second thing is that this kind of actions, there was an law in the Parent Act, there was a provision. What was that provision? You have to rehear it. as per section 104 of the Parent Act. What was that? There was a specification in that this portion of present act was meant to secularism and communal harmony, because that was giving entry to another community in the donation for the Waqf. That was a beautiful caution. That was a signal. That was a signal of communal harmony in this country. That is the fact, sir. Now here what you are doing is, sir, you are having two types of legislation. This BJP is having two types of legislation. One legislation is religious based one. The other one is religiously biased one. This amendment is second category, sir. That is the. Then that other things. I don't want to narrate everything. I just started, sir. It was noisy here.
Sir, our time was lost.
Chief Executive, they are now insisting that Chief Executive of the institution should not be Muslims, need not be Muslims. What is this? If he is holding that, he know what exactly the subject. Not only that, this kind of this you can see whether this kind of changes are there in all the other institutions. We can very well know that this kind of thing is not there. Different. I will quote some example to you. That is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh Kashi Temple. Kashi Temple. No, sir, I have not just started. It was noisy here.
Our time was lost, sir.
In Kashi Temple, sir, in Kashi Temple, section 3 says, no person shall, unless he is a Hindu by religion, be eligible for being continuing as a member of the board or executive committee or chief executive officer or any other post. All the posts. Kashi Temple Act says it should be for Hindu belief kind of post. So, but here what is special? So you want to capture the things in order to facilitate for capturing the things.
Thank you, sir.
You want to make, sir, I want to complete some more
Sir,
points.
we are 3-member party, sir. We want some more time, sir.
So this shows that this government is having an ulterior motive in bringing this legislation. That is why we are opposing to that.
Dr. Rajkumar
According to-
Sangwan, sir.
Sir, I will complete. Now they are not minister, our minister for minority.
धन्यवाद अध्यक्ष महोदय। मैं वक्फ संशोधन सर बोलने
हाँ बोलिए।
बिल का समर्थन करने के लिए सदन में खड़ा हूं।
Okay, sir. Please conclude in 15 seconds, please. आप बैठिए।
Minority affairs
Only one
minister.
second.
Minority affairs minister. He told this morning. What is that? He told Waqf property is that of nation. He said the worship place, of course, he agreed. The other place is whose? That is new claim. This to be discussed in threadbare. He says that the other property is that of who? That of the nation. That is the agenda. It's not a small thing, sir. It is to be
Thank you,
treated
sir.
very seriously.
Dr. Rajkumar
So I say
Sangwan
that
ji.
this kind of utterance should provoke the situation.
Yes, please.
धन्यवाद अध्यक्ष महोदय। मैं वक्फ संशोधन बिल